Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a review of the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. So if you're interested, keep watching and let's do it. Alright, so if y'all have been watching me, or if you're new, I do love Nars collection products. So when they released this product, I was so excited to try it. So I am a fan of their Sheer Glow foundation, so I can't wait to try this one. This one does come in 36 shades and it has a lot of undertones to choose from, which is nice. It does say it's a liquid medium coverage foundation that gives a natural finish. It claims that it's good for redness, texture, uneven skin tones, and dark spots. It does claim to blur and smooth with a natural finish. Now this is a skincare hybrid foundation, so according to this, if you use it for long terms, it helps your skin over time. This does have a 4.3 star rating on Sephora with I think almost 900 reviews, so I can't wait to try it. Let's get into it. Let's start. So the shade that I picked was medium 3 Stromboli, so I don't know why I picked that. I'm pretty sure I looked at their pictures on Sephora's website of the different, because they do give you different options and they show you, I love that, when they show you the different foundations, the different undertones on different skin tones. So this one looked like it was going to be for me. It better matched my skin tone. So let's hope it works and it's not too dark. So that's what I'm worried about. But this is, it comes with 1 fluid ounce. It has a 24-month shelf life. Let's open it up and see. I'm so excited to try this, y'all. So excited. I hope that I love it. So this is what it looks like. It comes in a glass jar, which is normal for Nars. And it does come with a pump, which I'm excited about because usually you have to buy the pump separate for some of their foundations. Now this is a $49 foundation, so it's not, I mean, it is a higher price point, but it's not like hitting those really higher price point like Dior or something like that. It's kind of in that mid-range. So it looks like it's going to match me, maybe a little bit dark. The one that I chose has warm undertones and a yellow tone to it, so hopefully it works out for me. So it says to shake real good, and before I put that on, I'm going to use a primer. This is the Veil Mineral Primer. This is their from Hourglass. I really love this primer, and I think that it works well with a lot of different foundation and skin tints and complexion products. So I'm gonna pull up my hair because I need to do my hair. I need to dye my hair. You see my grays. It is just, so I'm gonna use this one. I do like the one that they just released, which I have it right here. It's this one is the Vanish, but I just don't think that it works with every foundation. So since I know that this one, it works for every foundation that I've tried so far, I'm going to use this. And you don't need a lot. It really feels so nice on the skin. It feels like luxury, like skincare. That's how I feel when I put it on my face. It doesn't feel like a thick primer. It just feels like skincare, and it makes your face so silky smooth. So I will let that dry for a second, and then we'll go ahead, and I am going to use a brush to put the foundation on because I love to use brushes. So I'm going to place this on my hand to warm it up a little bit. I'll always do that so it's very liquidy. See, it's dripping. And I'm going to dot this around my face. It does look like a good match, so I'm kind of excited. So this is just 1 pump. I'm going to go ahead and start blending. And I do have this eye look that I done. I I've reviewed a palette, and I will have that video coming soon. It's very colorful today. I like this color on me. Hopefully it doesn't, you know, oxidize too much. I think all foundations oxidize. It's just how much is it going to oxidize. And once it hits the air, it's going to do something. It doesn't have a smell to me, which I like. I love when I don't have a smell, but I hate when foundations have that smell because I have such sensitive skin, especially with my face. Something that's going to be really close to my face. So off the bat with one pump, I do think it's a medium coverage foundation. Actually, it's a little bit more light than medium coverage. I don't feel like it's real heavy, but that's just with one pump. I am going to try a second pump to see how buildable it is. It doesn't claim to be buildable, but I do like more of a light coverage foundation, and then if I need to, I could use concealer to build up coverage. That's my personal preference. I'm going to use whatever's left on my hand, and I'm going to go down my neck with it. I'm really hoping this works out. I haven't seen anyone's reviews on this yet. I do have a lot of complexion products that I haven't had a chance to review or try on. So I can't wait to open them and start digging into all those products to try. Skin tint is like the thing right now, which Nars has my favorite skin tint. Been using that every day, almost every day. All right, so it blended out really nice, as you can see. It's very medium coverage. I wouldn't say it looks more natural skin finish. So you could still see stuff peeking through. So if you're looking for something more full coverage, this is not going to be it. Alright, so I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. Alright guys, I finished off my face. I used the Nars, just the regular Orgasm blush, the old school but goodie. I used Dior Nude Glow Forever Contour Luminizer, which I love. Look at this glow right here. I think it's one of my favorites now. I might put these in trying new makeup video because this is like the first time I've tried it, so I might include that in one of them. This is the Dior Forever Natural Bronze. This is in 5 Warm Bronze. I used that. Now this would be like a perfect like contour for me. So I did add a little bit of the Nars Summer Solstice bronzing powder that's in this one to warm it up a little bit. Ugh, it's hard to open. I used that, and I have some of the Rose Incorporated. I've been looking at this brand lately and trying to get a bunch of products from it. These are their satin lip colors. I have Intuitive and I have Demure. So I used Demure today. Look how cute the packaging is, and it's like a magnet that shuts. I used this color on my lips today, and I topped it with the Sigma. This is from the Cinderella collection. This one is in Magical Lip Gloss. So I topped it with this. So that's the two lip combos I used on my lips today, which was that one and this color right there. That's the two, which I think is very, very beautiful. It's one of my favorites lip combos. And I did try the Rose, I don't know if it's Ink Incorporated. How did they say it? This is an LX050. This one is an LX040. This is the concealers. This is a Luminous Hydrating Concealer Soft Light. I did use both of these shades, one to more brighten, one to more conceal. This is a heavier formula. I would like to use it again, but I did try it today. I didn't want to try too many new products today because I know I'm testing out this foundation. I used the Laura Mercier setting powder, translucent, which I know I like. So I use some products that are new, some products that I've already tested before. Mix it up a little bit. So, and I did, for my eyelashes, I did throw on some lashes. I used the Ardell Old School Big Goodie 110s. Those are my favorites, one of my favorite eyelashes. They never go wrong. Oh, I did use this. I've been waiting to try to use this. This is from Kaja. Is that how you say it? This is their 3-in-1 mascara. It says clear, volumizing, and lengthening. So I did use this, and I like how it's like this and it goes together. It's like 3 different ones that's supposed to work together. I love this, especially for travel, how it is a magnet together. I will say that from first use, it gave me a lot of length, but no volume. So I'm going to play around with it a little bit. Alright guys, this is end of day. I haven't done any touch-ups or anything like that. This is what it looks like up close. It looks really pretty still. As you can see some blemishes coming through, but it is a medium coverage foundation. I would say it's light to medium. It's very light on the skin. I'm really impressed with this foundation. I'm loving it so far. I can't wait to keep using it. I do have normal combo skin that I kind of get a little oily in my T-zone, which I didn't notice that at all. I do want to kind of set it and refresh it right now and see how it looks if it goes back. I have been, we went and got our toes done. We went and ate at a restaurant where one of my nieces works at. So we did a lot of stuff. So if I touch it up a little bit, which I don't think I needed to do that, but just wanted to see. I think it looks really pretty. Overall, I really am loving this foundation for the first impression. It's blurring, it's smoothing, and it has supposedly great skincare ingredients. So after so many uses of it over time, your skin benefits from. But I can't speak for that today, but I can speak of how it feels on my face today. First impression, this is at least 9 hours of wearing it, and it just feels so lightweight, like I'm not wearing anything. Alright guys, that is the end of my review. I hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know if you're going to be picking up this foundation or if you already tried it yet. Alright guys, stay blessed.